Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. This is Deegee Chef from the stables. Very happy to be back after a break. We missed you guys. We are doing a brilliant pan-fried salmon with silky mashed potatoes, charred broccoli in a sweet maple spicy soy sauce reduction. Pat dry the salmon steaks and apply some olive oil and season well with salt and pepper. Keeping the fish dry will ensure you have a good crispy skin texture. In a hot pan, add oil and half a stick of butter. Lower the salmon steak and let sizzle. This is important as this will ensure that the crispy skin and the tender flakes are absolutely melting in your mouth. Cook for about 1.5 minutes on each side till you see the cooked pale pink color on the side of the salmon. In the pan, with all the goodness of the fried salmon, add chopped onions and garlic, chili flakes, chopped red peppers, and some good quality maple syrup. To that, add soy sauce and mix well and reduce to a stringy consistency. It already has salt and the soy sauce is also salty. So just be careful on the salt there. As this reduces, finish with toasted white sesame seeds. Time now for the potato mash. Melt butter and add mashed or grated potatoes to the butter in a pan. Important that you put the diced potatoes in a cold salted water and then bring it to the boil. Cook for about 15 minutes, deskin and grate or mash. To this mixture now, add some chopped celery and milk to get the right consistency of the creamy mash that you want. Season with salt and pepper. Time now to get this all together. On a bed of mashed potatoes, place the grilled salmon steak and the broccoli. Pour the maple soy reduction with a lemon and boy, does this come together. I'm gonna love checking this out. Hope you like it. Cheers.